Why does following God sometimes make life feel harder first? One of the most confusing things about following God is this. You expect peace, but instead, everything suddenly feels exposed. The sin you ignored before now bothers you deeply. The relationships that once felt normal suddenly feel unhealthy. The distractions that used to numb you stop working the same way. And many people quietly think, wasn't following God supposed to make life better? But what if life feels harder first because God is no longer letting you stay asleep? Before God, many of us survived through comfort, avoidance, ego, control, distractions. We normalized things that were slowly hurting us. But when God starts transforming someone, he begins exposing what was always there. And exposure feels uncomfortable. Think about physical healing. When a doctor cleans an infected wound, it often hurts more before it heals. Not because healing is harmful, but because infection is finally being touched. And spiritually, God often works the same way. He exposes pride, lust, bitterness, fear, people-pleasing, false identities, unhealed wounds, not to shame you, but because he refuses to leave you trapped in them. And this process can feel overwhelming because now you see things you used to ignore, and awareness itself can feel heavier at first. But this does not mean God is punishing you. It often means he is transforming you. Scripture says, Hebrews 12:11, no discipline seems pleasant at the time, but painful. Later on, however, it produces a harvest of righteousness and peace. Notice, peace often comes after the process, not before it. And Jesus never promised, you will avoid hardship. He said, John 16:33, in this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. The promise was never a painless life. The promise was, you will not walk through it alone. And over time, God begins rebuilding you, more honestly, more humbly, more freely, more like Christ. So if following God feels harder right now, do not immediately assume something is wrong. Sometimes the discomfort is proof that healing has finally begun. God exposes wounds not to destroy you, but because he intends to heal what was hidden.